In front of me is Oukitel WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the top left corner. Then click on this plus at the bottom in the middle and set tap an hour. Following that, click on OK at the bottom right corner of the pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. By clicking on repeat, you can exclude days of the week by clicking on the red ones. By clicking on this icon next to vibrate, you can disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And finally, by hitting this little bell, you can click on add new and pick any song to set it up as your incoming alarm one, or just pick one of those. Now select label and in order to name your alarm, type in wherever you want to and hit OK. To hide all of those options, click at the bottom right corner. To switch off your alarm completely, use this switcher, the red one next to it, and to enable it, click on the grey one. Lastly, if you want to delete your alarm, click at the bottom right corner and use the delete button at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!